In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello keyboard shortcuts. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team. But did you know that using keyboard shortcuts can make your experience even faster and more efficient? By mastering these shortcuts, you can save time and streamline your workflow, letting you focus on what really matters. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user, this tutorial will guide you through the essential shortcuts step by step so you can navigate Trello like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's begin with accessing the Shortcuts menu. While you're in Trello, simply press the question mark key on your keyboard. This will open the Shortcuts menu, where you can see a list of all available keyboard shortcuts. It's a handy reference point as you're learning. Now, to create a new card, press the letter N on your keyboard. This will instantly open a new card for you to start adding details. Want to create a card directly in a specific list? Hover your mouse over the list you want, then press N. The card will appear directly in that list, saving you the extra step of dragging it over later. Next, to quickly search across your boards and cards, press the slash key. This brings up the search bar, where you can type in keywords to locate exactly what you need. When working with individual cards, there are several shortcuts that can help you move faster. If you highlight or hover over a card, pressing the letter E will open the Quick Edit menu. This allows you to make adjustments without fully opening the card. Need to archive a card, press the letter C and the card will be sent to the archive immediately. To move a card to a different board or list, press the letter M. From there, you can select the destination board and list to relocate the card. If you need to open a card fully to view or edit its details, just press the Enter key. Editing the card title directly is simple too. Highlight the card and press the letter T. This lets you update the title without navigating away from the list. To manage labels on a card, press the letter L and the Labels menu will appear, allowing you to apply or modify labels with ease. Adding collaborators to a card is another frequent task. To do this, press the plus sign key and you'll be able to select a member to add to the card. Want to set a due date for a task? Press the letter D and the due date menu will open, letting you choose the appropriate date and time. When managing your board as a whole, you can toggle the board menu on and off by pressing the letter W. This is especially useful for decluttering your view when you don't need the menu open. And if you need to switch to another board quickly, press the letter B and start typing the name of the board. Trello will display matching boards, and you can jump to the one you want. Finally, to move a card to the next list in a workflow, press the period key. This is great for progressing tasks forward in systems like Kanban boards, where cards move step by step through lists. The best way to get comfortable with these shortcuts is to practice them daily. Over time, they'll become second nature, and you'll notice just how much faster and smoother your Trello experience becomes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.